Garden bags are created for scholars with love and attention from Miss Elizabeth. I've hand-touched pretty much everything in each bag and said a little I love you each time I put something in there, sending you great, great, great love. So you might be wondering what's in your bag. First of all, the bags were donated by ECUA, Mr. Jim Roberts, which is super nice of him. And some of these things were donated from the Ground Up Community Garden and Dixon. So the first thing that we have here is your Ziploc baggie. This is your bean bag greenhouse. And you see I have a little note here, please reuse the bag because ew, plastic. But it makes for a really great greenhouse. You have 4 cotton balls in here. You're gonna have 4 seeds in here. The brown ones are bush beans and the white ones are pole beans. You also have a piece of tape on your bag, and that's to use to tape onto your window and then to take little pieces off and to use on your pots to label them and measure 1.5 inches. It's painter's tape, so it comes off real easily. The other thing that you have in your bag are 2 pots from the ground up with mulch in them. Mulch, wood chips, same thing. The other thing that you have in your bag is a hand lens. A hand lens, and that actually came from a donation from Scripps out of California. Cheryl Peach we can thank for these. You have a bag of compost. You have a little seed packet that you're going to fill with your special seeds. You have 3 different types of seeds from the garden. You have radish pods, mustard seed pods, and you have coriander or cilantro. And this is in the green form. It will turn brown, but for now it's green and you can eat this. And we have this amazing notebook from ARCUS, Arctic Research Consortium of the United States. Miss Janet donated these great things, and they have rulers on the back. It's waterproof. I show you that in one of my talks. And this is where you're going to take your data. This little notebook also has a ruler on it, and it's got the SIU units, which is metric, standard international units. And then it has the British Imperial or the American Common Used system, which is basically inches and feet in what we're most used to using in the United States. We also have a ruler from ARCUS, and it's got the metric and the American or British Imperial as well. And we got some snazzy rulers also from Keep Pensacola Beautiful, and we really appreciate their efforts in supporting us. Big thanks to Sigrid for helping us. And you have 4 pages in here. One explains everything that's in your bag and what you need to use it for and instructions. And then the second one basically explains your bean bag greenhouse. The next one explains another activity called seedy. And the 4th page is activity 3, and that's mulch, compost, and planting your beans. Hope you enjoy this.
Destroy anymore, 'cause after the hopelessness beyond the fear, we'll wake to the magic that's here and open our eyes to the rain, and we'll dance in it and the mud. Put your hands in it in the wild, deep inside